Hello everybody. We are doing chili with bacon, beef, and chicken. And I absolutely love meat, and I love chili, and I love good fellowship and friends. So all of this is wrapped up into this little chili bowl. So I'm really excited.
What's up everyone? Daniel Watros here, and you are on another episode of Cooking With, where I teach my guests how to cook their favorite passion food with a twist. Today on the show, I have my friend, Ashley Johnson. Hey Ashley!
Hi!
How are you?
Daniel, good, how are you?
Good, thanks for joining me on the show.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
welcome to California.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Have you had a good stay so far?
Oh, it's been incredible.
Awesome.
Great friends, great food, great weather.
Yeah, you were telling me that you like chili.
Yes, I love chili.
And so we're gonna do a version of that. It's going to be a beef, chicken, and bacon chili.
Okay, yes, sounds
My own
good.
little recipe I've created here. So we got everything ready to go, and let's start cooking.
Okay.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Awesome. So I decided that we would make a beef, bacon, and chicken chili.
Okay, that sounds great.
Some stuff in there that's really good, and we'll see what happens.
All right, sounds good.
So Ashley, I got a pound of thick cut bacon here. We're
Okay.
going to add to the pan. Get that started over medium-high heat.
All right.
And I just dice it up a little bit, so when we eat it, you'll get the bites of bacon in there.
Okay. Yeah, and you don't put anything else in there. It's just the meat, right?
For now, yeah, I'm just doing the meat. So obviously it's going to cook the bacon, but also it's going to bring out that fat, and that fat is going to cook the other meats that we have.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
All right, Ashley, so this bacon is sizzling here. It looks and smells great. That means it's time for the other meats. This is ground beef. It's 90%, 93% lean. And I got that because it's gonna balance well with the bacon and the fat. If it's too fatty, it's gonna be overpowering. I also have a pound of chicken here. It's citrus marinated.
Oh, wow.
There's some other spices in there too. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I like
you want to
that.
go ahead and throw those in there for me?
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect.
This is great. I usually just do like a ground turkey or something like that. I don't like put a lot of other meats in there, so that'll be really cool.
Yeah. So Ashley, why chili?
Man, so many reasons why.
Okay.
One, I feel like chili is such a good food for like the fall or the winter weather and stuff like that. And it also reminds me of my family. So my family actually did a chili cook-off.
No way.
And they won second place. Yeah, they have a secret ingredient, which is but don't tell anybody, okay? I feel like chili kind of brings us all together.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
And you have a pretty big family.
Yes.
You're one of 7, right?
Yeah, so I have 6 siblings, 2
Right.
brothers, 3 sisters. I'm the middle child.
Okay.
And then my dad, actually, he loves to cook. So he's inspiring more with cooking.
Yeah.
And, he loves to do chilies. He grills out on the big green egg. I don't know if you've
Nice.
heard
Yeah,
of
I know
that.
about the green egg.
Okay.
Yeah. So he was like the chef of the family growing up?
Yeah. He's passionate about it. Like my mom would always cook, but my dad's like passionate. So.
Yeah, with my family, it's a little similar. My mom did not like to cook, but she cooked the most when we were growing up.
Yeah.
But my dad, when he could cook, when he had the time, he was passionate about it as well. And I learned some stuff from him. So that was pretty cool.
That's so cool.
Yeah. All right, Ashley, so this meat looks like it's about done here. So now we are going to go ahead and add the chopped onion.
Okay.
This is actually half of a white onion. Looks like a lot, but it's just half a white onion. You want to go ahead and stir that in for me?
Yeah. So yeah, that's interesting because usually when I cook chili, I like saute the onions separately.
Sure.
But yeah, that's cool because since there's so much fat.
Yeah, it will cook together.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. You're living in Lynchburg, Virginia right now.
Yeah,
What do you
that's right.
do back there?
So I just finished up campus ministry.
Okay.
So I did that for 4.5 years.
Awesome.
And yeah, like loved hosting people,
Yeah.
bringing people over to the house, playing games, also cooking for them.
I'm gonna go ahead and add the green and red peppers.
Okay.
It's, one of each.
Okay.
We got the bacon, the beef,
Yes.
chicken,
Let's
the
go.
peppers, the onions. It's all cooked. And now we're gonna add the rest to
Okay.
make the chili.
Sounds good.
First
I'm
off,
excited.
we got 8 ounces of just regular tomato sauce. I'll let you dump in the rest.
Okay.
Next, we got 8 ounces of crushed tomatoes.
Okay.
Next, we got 16 ounces of diced tomatoes in the juice.
Okay. Okay, so you keep the juice in there.
Keep the juice in there.
Yeah.
Then we got 16 ounces of canned corn. 16 ounces of black beans. I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. But now we want to add some spice, obviously. So I got a mixture here. Before I add these spices in, Ashley, I want to ask you, how spicy do you like your chili?
I think probably medium.
Medium?
Yeah.
All right, so
Medium's
we're gonna
good.
do a ½ teaspoon of this chipotle chili pepper.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
we can add more later if we think it's not spicy enough.
Yeah. Yeah, I have an Indian friend and she's gotten me really into spicy food.
Yeah?
So I've gotten better at it, but
Okay.
I can't take too much spice.
You're still
you know?
pretty white like me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'm kind of in the medium range as well. All the spice ingredients are gonna pop up next to me right now. Dump all these in.
Oh.
If you can mix that up, that'd be great. So, Ashley, we got all the ingredients in here, including the spices. I'm gonna turn the temp down to medium-low
Okay.
and cover it. And we're gonna let it set for 20 minutes. All right, so we got the chili simmering here. What should we do in the meantime?
Well, Daniel, something that I love to do is I love to dance.
Okay.
Okay, and so with different foods that I eat, I have different dances.
Okay.
So actually I have a chili dance.
You have a chili dance.
Yeah, do you want to see it?
Let's see the chili dance.
Okay, so kind of put your hands out like this. And then you put your leg up like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of twist.
Ooh, yeah. Get a little shimmy going.
Yeah, a little shimmy. Yeah.
All right.
And it's all about the chili.
The chili shimmy.
Yes. So you guys should try it back at home, okay?
Do the
All right.
chili. Do the chili dance.
And
Now that we're done dancing, I think our chili's ready.
I think so too.
Time
You did
has
a great
passed.
job, Daniel.
Thank you.
Pretty impressed.
Thanks for teaching me your special chili dance.
Oh, any day, anytime.
All right.
Oh,
Look at
looks
that.
Great.
It's been about 20 minutes now.
Uh-huh.
Got everything in there simmering just right. You could do it longer if you wanted.
Okay.
I'm sure you'd get more flavor from it. But if you're in a time crunch, you can just do it for about 20 minutes. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
So hungry.
I'm so hungry.
Then let's eat.
Let's
eat.
do it.
Let's
do it. So Ashley, do you like toppings on your chili?
Yeah, of course.
All right. Well, I got this cheese and sour cream here. Do you like that?
I love it, but
Yeah.
I'm actually allergic.
Really? So we
Yes.
probably shouldn't put that on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, since you're dairy-free, Ashley, I have
Yes.
some alternatives here. We
Oh,
got some
great.
avocado,
Oh, I love avocados.
cilantro,
Yes.
and some lime.
It looks amazing.
All right, Ashley, everything is done.
Yes.
We have our beef, bacon, and chicken chili here. Are you ready to dig in?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's go.
That is so good.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Great work. I love it.
Thank you. I appreciate all your help.
Yeah.
And great choice on the dish we made today.
You all are gonna love it. So.
And it's not too spicy?
No.
Okay.
Perfect.
I also think it's just enough. Where you get it, a little kick, but not.
Right.
It's not overpowering.
Yeah.
Great.
Good.
I didn't add the extra cup of beef broth, and I think that was a good decision.
Yeah, I think so
It's
too.
just the right consistency.
Yeah, it's perfect.
And yeah, turned out great.
Yeah, it did.
So that's a wrap. Thank you so much, Ashley, for being on. I really
Yeah.
appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching.
Yes.
I would also love it if you subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you on the next episode. This is Cooking with Ashley Johnson. All right, let's get
That's
awesome.
a lot.